to my channel FunX Crafts. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can DIY this garden showpiece with cardboard. So guys, you can also use it for decoration or you can gift it to someone. So it's a basic craft. So come on, let's see how it's made. So for this you will need cardboard, paper clay, craft wire, paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken a cardboard piece and also some craft wires. Now I'll just take a white paper strip and cover the craft wire like this. So I'll just keep on twisting and covering it. So like this I've covered all my craft wires, as you can see. Now I'll just stick them together. Now I'll just use my clear sellotape and I'll just stick them together like this. Now I'll just fold them and give them a shape and a structure of a tree branch. And from the surface also it will become the tree roots and it will stand like this on the cardboard piece. Now I've taken some silver foil and I'll just make the crush out of it. Now I'll just stick that also on one side of the cardboard. So for that I'm using hot glue gun. Now I'll just attach my tree also and more crushed craft aluminum foil. Now I'll just take my paper clay, and guys, if you don't know how this is made, the link is in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. I'll just start covering all the things with my paper clay. The aluminum foil will give it a good surface. So for that I've used aluminum foil. Now I'll be putting some paper clay on the roots and giving them a 3D structure. And also these are some small rocks and pebbles. So I'll put them in some places like this and then cover the rest of the part of the cardboard. Now I'll just take my sculpting tool and I'll just carve them little bit like this so that it gives a rough grass effect. Now I'll just carve the bushes also. Now as you can see, it's done. Now after it gets dried, I'll take my popsicle stick and cut some small tiny strips out of it. And then I'll just use my hot glue gun and start sticking them together. So as you can see, what I'm making, it's a small tiny, you can say miniature garden bench, and I'll just attach the seat together. And now the sides of it, so that it can stand properly on the grass. So as you can see, my bench is made. Now I'll just keep that aside and start painting my base first. So for that I'm using a bright green paint over here. I'll just paint the bushes and the grass together. Now I'll use some lighter shade of green and I'll just start shading it and giving it a good highlight. In some places more, I'll just keep on highlighting it till it becomes a 3D real look. Now I'll just start painting my tree also. So for that I'm using a dark brown shade. Now for the tree trunks. And now I'll just start painting my rocks and pebbles into a light brown, the lightest brown shade. And now I'll just highlight my tree with a light shade of the brown. and also use some white paint for the rocks. Now as you can see, I've taken a green wool, I've cut them out and mixed it with water and little bit glue, and then after it gets dried a little bit, I'll just start putting it on the tree like this, so it will give a real effect of the leaves. So make sure you put some glue and water with it. So as you can see, it's done now. My tree has made. Now at the bench I made, I'll stick that also, and then I'm taking some brown thread over here and braided it so it gets thick. Now I'll just use another popsicle stick strip and I'll attach them together, and I'll just put another popsicle stick on the base so that it gets secured properly. So as you can see, this is my swing, the typical swing which is hanging upon the tree, and now just I'll secure it with the hot glue gun drops. Now as you can see, I made a little girl. This is a tiny girl, and I've made it with craft wire and tissue paper, and as well as I've made a boy also. So as you can see, it's made out of craft wire, so it can be easily bendable, so the hands and legs will be movable. And also I've taken a bead and I just painted it with football print and attached that also. So as you can see, this is the completed and final look, guys, and trust me, it's a very beautiful showpiece to decorate your house with. And guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. And guys, you can also mention your suggestions below if you need something to watch on our channel. So feel free to leave your comments. Till next time, bye.